Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marta, I come from Norway and I love makeup. And today I'm really excited because I just got my new Looxi Beauty ice cream social bundle plus some other shades that I bought during that launch. And today I decided to show you guys how I did this look right here using some of the shades, almost all of them except from the red to green one. I did also do eye swatches with all of the shades that I probably uploaded before this, so I will just leave a card to that right up here. And yeah, if you're interested in seeing how I did this look, then please keep on watching. So I just applied my NARS Smudge Proof Eye Primer and now I'll be going in with the shade Zinnia. It's from Looxi. I'm only going to use Looxi products for my eye look today, and it's just gorgeous light purpley shade. I'm just going to apply that all over the outer half of my crease, and I'm of course going to use my Kaleidos Makeup S3 brush that I always use, and I will make sure I also pack this all over the lid where I want it in the crease, and then I'll have the green more to the inner corner because I'm going to use a green with this purple. And just buffing out the edges super simply. Like, as you can see with these shades, they're like some of my favorite mattes. They just blend out by themselves almost. I'm just so impressed by the quality of Looxi mattes. And obviously I love their duochromes. I have a ton of them. So these are like perfect to use when you just want a simple yet colorful look. And I just love that about these. Now I'm just going to go in with the shade Gremlin. It looks a bit deeper, but if I remember correctly, it doesn't look as deep once I put it on my lid. So hopefully it won't be too deep, but either way, it's also cool to have the darkest shade in the inner corner sometimes. So I'll just apply that right here. I'm just dipping slightly back into Zinnia just to make sure I have a nice transition between the two, and as usual I don't really try to like mix them into each other too much because obviously these are not next to each other on the color wheel and won't blend that nicely together. So I'm more so tapping them slightly up, like on top of each other, if that makes any sense. And it's just important to have a nice blend up in the crease because that is where you're going to see the two shades meet, because I'm obviously going to use the shade Ube all over my lid. So now I'm just going to apply Ube all over my lid. So Ube is super soft in the pan and picks up so easily. And I think that's mostly it for this look. I think I might just go in with a glitter liner using one of the other shades. I'm thinking maybe Salted Caramel because I want to use this one in my inner corner, I think. So I'll just mix that with a little bit of glitter glue and make a liner. So that's what I'm gonna do, I think, and put it in the inner corner as well. I just applied Salted Caramel as my inner corner highlight and my glitter liner, and I'm just gonna go and finish off my face makeup and then I'll show you how to do the lower lash line. But I think it's gonna be, I can use Mint Chip for my lower lash line. I'll be right back. So I'm almost done with my face makeup. I'm still missing my highlighter and brows obviously, but I'm just going to start with Gremlin, and I want it mostly all over the lower lash line as a base for Mint Chip, but I need to blend it into the pink over there. So right now I'm just packing it on. And now I'm just adding the tiniest bit of Zinnia right here just to make sure I continue like the line that I've created right here from my lower lash line. I'm just taking the tiniest bit. So I just applied glitter glue all over my lower lash line, but very close to the waterline. Now I'm taking Mint Chip and I'm just going to press that onto where I put the glitter glue. And that is basically it for this look. So I'm just going to finish off my face makeup and the rest that I'm missing for my eyes, like mascara and some liner in my waterline and stuff. And the next thing you'll see is a close-up of this look, I guess. And that was the close-up of this look, and I'm so happy with how this turned out. I feel like the new shades are so beautiful, especially Ube is like probably one of my new favorites from them. It's such a strong shift and I just love it. So I'm really happy that I picked them all up, and they're like, the price is unbeatable. It's $3 per shadow. I don't know any other brands that do like that go so low with their prices, and yeah, I'm just really happy. I bought some more Looxi Beauty shadows. It's one of my favorite single shadow indie brands, and yeah, I hope that you liked this video and the look that I made. So please comment down below what you thought of it, and remember to hit the thumbs up button if you liked the video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and you want to see more content from me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!